Hi everyone, so I decided to do a video on like a clothing haul for Evie. Basically, some of this was purchased by myself, some were purchased as gifts from family, but I thought I would go ahead and share it because I love baby clothes. I don't know if you love baby clothes, but you probably, odds are you do if you clicked on this. So let's get started. And oh, also I will link everything that I can find links for in my kit down below. And so if you are interested in purchasing it for your children, you can just go ahead and like find it easily. So I saw this in the store at Target. I had to get it. It says, "I love you more than all the stars." It's super cute. I think by Cat and Jack. Is that what it says? Yeah, Cat and Jack brand. And I don't know, I'm like totally gravitated towards like nighttime, like stars and moons. I don't know why, but I just am. And I saw that they had like these matching pants. They were kind of like in the boy section or like kind of unisex section of the baby store. They weren't found like right next to each other, so you might have to look for it. And this is sold in a 2-pack. She has already started wearing the like striped pant. It's like a light gray and like a slightly darker gray, like pinstripe horizontal pant that comes with this pair. I wouldn't say that other pant would go with this top, but you know, these go together, though you could pair anything really with this. So that's the first outfit. From JCPenney has a line called, let's see, what's the line called? Okie Dokie. And I ordered her holiday dress from there, so I was like, well, while I'm here, why don't I look for other stuff? And there's a great deal on all of these, though it seems like it's always a great deal. This is $4 typically, I guess. This one was funny. It says, "Let's hang out and do baby stuff." Really cute. And oh, this one is so adorable. It's like these little milk cartons and little straws, and it's like these little bell sleeves. It was like so darling. I had to get it. And also Okie Dokie. I think there's more. May not. Let's get into this. Oh, and then this is, I think this is also at JCPenney as well, but I could be wrong, but it's Carter's brand. And it's like kind of like a bunting suit. It doesn't, she's worn this before, so that's why it's probably bunched up. There's like these little pockets that are shaped like hearts. This is a gift from my Nana to her great grandmother, and then it has this sweet little lining in it, little bear ears. It doesn't have mittens or footies, but it's very cute and it keeps her nice and warm, like when we're going out to do stuff. So here's that one. Oh, where is it? Okay. It's somewhere in this pile, but I got the girls matching pajamas. So her sister is almost 7, named Lydia, and I got Yvette the same one in the same size. It's probably in this pile, but this is from Oshkosh brand. Oh, and this is the pants that go with it. I also shared this in my Christmas haul that I got for the girls. You can see the little geometric shapes in it. I'm about to do laundry, that's why I decided to do the haul, because I need to put all the tags off this stuff and wash it. So this is so cute. This is from Carter's, and it's for Yvette. Let's see. I saw this in the store, and I just waited and watched for it to be on sale. It's so cute. It says "Wish" and unicorns and stars, and it has a little bow on the back. It's so cute. And as you know, if you shop through Carter's, now that they have sizes all the way up to like size 14, so they have this in taller sizes, and then a very similar, except for I think the only thing missing is like the Wish and the unicorns just in a different position for like older girls. I'm tempted to get it for Lydia, but kind of a little old, like age difference to be so matchy-matchy, so I refrained myself from doing that. See, I never even opened it. Just been saving it. Okay, this is from Carter's. Oh, it's like I know what it's for. It's like more of like a sweatshirt material. And it just looks like a sweatshirt, so I don't know. I'm surprised. It says Wild at Heart. So it's like a little high-low. I think that's how it was described too. Oh, is it fleece lined? It's fleece lined. There's a little lining fleece. It's a fuzzy little soft heart. Little metallic stitching. Very, very cute. Keep it nice and warm in the chilly months. So we got that. Alright. Picking at random. This is Just One You by Carter's. I think this was sold at Target. But again, I'll link it to you guys down below. And oh, look, it's a little it's fleece, like a fleece little jacket. It's not lined with the Sherpa, but same buffalo check kind of fleece. And it has a little bear with a little bow in the corner. They had a very similar one. Oh, sorry, in the pants. Has some just black pants that go along with it. They have a very similar design for boys too, with like the buffalo check, and then it has just a giant bear on it. So I know I saw that at the store, but it's super, super cute. Again, it'll keep her super warm. So freezing now, and it's going to be even more freezing when the snow actually starts happening regularly. This is also Just One You by Carter's in 9-month. This says Loved. And let's see, what are the pants? The pants are floral, and they have, let's see, there's like llamas and sheep, and there's bunnies all in there. Yeah, you guys can kind of see it. And the jacket is very similar style to that one right there, but this is in a navy that matches and coordinates. There's some 3 buttons, and it's fleece. Very, very cute. That was from my mom to Evie. Oh, this is funny. She got a little robe, so it's like that minky, there's another name for it, but that minky kind of fleece and fleece lining little robe for her. So funny. This says Blankets and Beyond. I haven't heard of that brand before, but that's, it says blanketsandbeyond.ca. So, just in case if you're looking for it and I can't find the link. These are my favorite socks for Evie. It's so random. They're like the cheapest socks ever. But I never can find them online, and I guess they're at like some random dollar store that my mom goes to. So, apparently I have cheap taste in socks, but they're nice, and like Evie has small feet. But like some socks are like too tight on like her calf and her ankle, so it's kind of like, they're not quite cable knit, but they're like these, like, it's hard to describe the pattern, and they have like little ribbons on the top. It's by Baby King, if you can find them. I found some of the brand online, but not much. I think mostly you're gonna find it in like a dollar store. So, but those are my favorite socks for her. Oh, here's her size in that pajama. And let's see. I believe this was an outfit together. It's a very soft, I don't know what's going on outside, so hopefully you can hear me. I don't know what that is. I think it's the trash because of Christmas, so they came a day later. Okay. So anyways, hopefully you can hear me. And it's this bear, and it has a hood. It doesn't have the bear ears on the hood. There's bear ears here. Very, very soft, like super soft fleece. The ribbed cuffs. And then I believe these are the pants that came with it. This is by Carter's brand. Those little hearts, gold hearts, on like a charcoal gray. Very cute. I almost actually got this outfit for Evie, and I guess good thing I didn't, because my grandmother got it for her. This is Oshkosh, I believe. Yeah, Baby Bagosh. And it's like a cable knit, like little outfit. So there's little pockets, buttons, and it has matching leggings that go with it. So cute. Oh, I love it. She can wear just like a little white onesie under it, and super adorable. So there's that. It's not quite clothing, but again, was given by one of my aunts who got her the bathrobe, because she got her like some bath stuff for Christmas. Like it was like a theme. And it's Hudson Baby hooded towels. It's super cute, dear. She has so many cute like towels, like these hooded towels. I feel like they didn't have these like when I was a kid. Like it was just like you just had regular towels. I don't remember having hooded towels. That's super cute. And I believe it's the last one. She got some... Hi, Evie woke up. But I believe this is the last one. She got some other like onesies and stuff, and a lot of like random pants, but they're just different colors and stuff like that. They're baby pants. And some cute, I already put them away and she's already worn them, like onesies that have like elf and stuff on it. But this is the last outfit that I believe I have, and this is the outfit by Carter's. The pants are like oh, they're sparkly. They're like a charcoal gray, sparkles in it. I don't know if you pick up the sparkles. And this is the unicorn, and it's kind of soft, like where the detail of the mane of the unicorn are. And yep, and a 9 months, so this will fit her. And it's kind of sweatshirt material, not as thick as that Wild at Heart one, but and it doesn't have the ribbed cuff sleeve. So there's that. So that is it, I believe, for my baby clothing haul. I'm excited to wash these and have Evie wear them. 9 months is like, or 6 to 9 months is like a little big on her, but I love them. I love all these cute new clothes, and it's so exciting. Like, you're sad to see the old clothes be put away, but it's exciting because then it's an excuse to buy more clothes and to put her in more clothes. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.